the facility of their choice, for example, jamii, to seek advice according to the plan.
Muwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha nigaruro gochika na chiskuru achiri chionsi chiri abana bakurunga gose day schools ase county ya Kakamega na baigo county ya Mombasa chive chigosie kwa tariki 29 cy'umutinyo yiga eriyo korwa chinga kinyororo bochori gokorekana ase chinsemecho ase kerugokeria kyobo governor Magoha nigatero na chiskuru echo nigo chigotumeka buna ebitaseni byo gwaka chikura maiga iyo bochori goterenirwa kubwatikana no boturubano bwa
As a country are going through a very difficult time, the IBC has pronounced itself with regard to the elections basically in Kakamega and Mombasa and some parliamentary ones and MCA ones. But the ones that concern us in education mostly are the big ones in Kakamega and Mombasa. We have agreed, having consulted Mr. Chebukati and Mr. Hussein Marjan, that as far as the polling centers are concerned, we are happy to allow them to use our facilities in both primary and secondary schools. But we have also agreed that the tallying centers, which may require more than one day, we have agreed mutually that they should be taken to tertiary institutions, and the press release will be coming shortly to say so. In terms of our children, because we don't want them to miss any more time, we have also agreed as a government that the boarding schools shall not be closed, they will not be interfered with. Those that are polling centers, the children will remain in the boarding houses, in the fields, and the libraries. As far as day schools are concerned, we think one day is not bad enough. The children can stay at home on Monday the 29th and report back to school on Tuesday the 30th. For those mixed schools, I'm told that there are a few schools which are both boarding and day. The same will apply. The day scholars should remain at home for that Monday to report the following day. The boarding scholars should remain in